Hi guys, time to have a go at another one of these paper aeroplanes from the BEANO vintage collection by the Lagoon Group. We'll do number 2. First thing we'll do is have a quick look at the cartoon. We'll never know what happened, will we? More on the back page. 1976, 4p. Right, so instructions for number 2. Number 2. Looks like we've got a lot of folding at the front to give us some nose weight. Until we get to there. You get 3 of each of these sheets. So I'm using 1 and saving 2 where I can. I say where I can because whoever had the pack before they gave it to the charity shop had actually used some of them. I think I've only got 1, page 13. And just for reference, these are slightly larger than an A4 sheet of paper. I don't know what actual size they are. I suppose I could measure it. Right, we don't actually fold that black line, that's the finishing line. Okay, it should look like that now, it does, yeah. Fold the 2 sides in. When I've watched people do these on YouTube videos, they've got a nice little tool they use for flattening the edges. And they don't use their nail. Okay, done that. Oh, this is quite simple. Now, let's work this out. Which way do we want it to go? Yeah, that's right. Fold that up like that. And then down. like that. It's a bit windy outside today, so I don't think we'll be going out and throwing this in the garden. It's also been raining, which means that Nanny's got some of the washing indoors drying just over there. So I'll have to move it before we try throwing it. Okay, so that's number 2 finished. Oh, that looks like it might fly okay. Right, I'll move the the underwear on the Era out of the camera shot, and we'll throw it up and down in the conservatory here in the kitchen. Well, it does work. It floats very gently. Probably the best one so far out of the, I've only done about 4 of them, and I've done them out of order, so this is number 2. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.